Hisense 43-inch 4K Smart TV, redefining your viewing experience. Imagine a TV that brings your favorite movies, games, and shows to life with jaw-dropping visuals and immersive sound. The Hisense 43-inch 4K Smart TV is not just a screen, it's an experience. With its sleek bezel-less design, it's also a statement piece for your modern space. Enjoy lifelike detail and vivid colors with its 4K Ultra HD resolution and Dolby Vision HDR. Advanced technologies like HDR10+ decoding and MEMC ensure every frame is crisp and smooth. Whether you're watching fast-paced sports or cinematic dramas, this TV transforms ordinary viewing into a cinematic marvel. Gamers, rejoice! The Game Mode Plus, equipped with 60Hz VR and ALLM, reduces lag and enhances responsiveness for edge-of-your-seat gaming. Say goodbye to frustrating delays and hello to consistent, crystal-clear gameplay. Perfect for next-gen gaming consoles, this TV is your ultimate gaming companion. The Vidaa OS makes navigating your content a breeze. Stream from built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. With Alexa and Google Home compatibility, controlling your TV is as simple as using your voice. From work breaks to weekend binges, entertainment has never been so effortless. Hear every whisper and roar through its DTS Virtual X sound system that fills your room with deep, rich audio. Designed with TV Rainland certification, it ensures maximum comfort by reducing blue light exposure. Offering energy-saving features, this TV also aligns with your modern, eco-conscious lifestyle. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The Hisense 43-inch 4K Smart TV is more than a TV, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Treat yourself to the ultimate combination of quality, performance, and innovation. Visit the product page on Amazon to learn more or make it yours today.